Assalamualaikum. Today you are going to learn English lesson with me, Miss Nadira. What do you think we are going to do today? Let's get started. Today we are making egg sandwich. Do you know how to make egg sandwich? If you don't know how to make it, let's learn it together. Okay, class? Okay, first we need to know the ingredients. What is ingredient? Ingredient is things that you need to make some recipe. Okay, today we are going to make egg sandwich. So what are the ingredients? The first one, of course, you need to have hard-boiled eggs. Next, you need to have 2 slices of bread, or if you have wrap also, you can use it. Never mind. And then you need to have butter, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, some lettuce, and cheese. You also need bowl and fork. Yes. So this is the recipe on how to make egg sandwich. The first step, you need to have hard-boiled eggs, a slice of cheese, 2 slices of bread, some lettuce, mayonnaise, some butter, salt and pepper to season it. In the bowl, you need to smash hard-boiled eggs with fork. Mix eggs with butter and mayonnaise. Step number 4, you need to add a pinch of salt and pepper to season it. Next, number 5, put the cheese on 1 piece of bread. Number 6, now put some lettuce on the cheese. Number 7, you add your hard-boiled eggs. Number 8, you need to put the other slice of bread on the eggs. Number 9, you cut the sandwich into 2 pieces. You may ask your parents to help you to cut the sandwich. Be careful with the knife. And lastly, you eat it and you enjoy it. You can do this activity with your parents or your siblings or your cousin. Now is activity time. Alright, now you see these, all the sentences, you need to number it correctly according to the recipe that we just learned just now. Okay, what is step number 1? Yes, you need hard-boiled eggs, a slice of cheese, 2 slices of bread, some lettuce, mayonnaise, some butter, salt and pepper. What about number 2? What is the next step? Yes, you need bowl. In the bowl, you need to smash hard-boiled eggs with fork. What about step number 3? What do you think, class? Yes, you need to mix eggs with butter and mayonnaise. Step number 4, you need to add a pinch of salt and pepper to season it. Number 5, you need to put the cheese on 1 piece of bread. Step number 6, Now you can put your letters on the cheese. What is step number 7? What do you think, class? Yes, next you can add your hard-boiled eggs. Number 8, you put the other slice of bread on the eggs. And step number 9, you cut the sandwich into 2 pieces. And what do you think the last step that we need to do? Yes, you eat it and enjoy your egg sandwich. Well done, class. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay at home, and stay sane. Bye-bye, class. Enjoy your egg sandwich. Now you can make it for your family and for your friends as well as your siblings. Okay, bye class. See you in the next lesson. Assalamualaikum. Bye.